Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious fried rice using turkey. It was so easy to make and very fast. This fried rice was so delicious. Let's get started. First, I started by washing my turkey and seasoning it with blended ginger, garlic and onion. After seasoning it with ginger, garlic and onion, I added curry to it. Then the next thing I added was seasoning powder. After seasoning it with the seasoning powder, you can add as much seasoning powder as you wish to according to your taste. Then I went ahead to add thyme, add rosemary, dried rosemary, add salt. After adding all your desired ingredients, you can go ahead to mix. I also added some spicy pepper just to give it a little spicy hot taste. So after mixing your ingredients, you allow it to cook for 10 to 20 minutes. It all depends on the kind of turkey you are using, if it's the hard turkey or the soft turkey. For me, I was using the hard turkey, so I allowed it to cook for up to 25 minutes. Then after allowing it to cook for some time, I'm going to set this out and put it in my air fryer. You can as well fry if you wish to fry. And I went ahead to extract the meat stock. I'll be using the meat stock to prepare the rice. Then I added little water to it, add the well washed rice, add some blended ginger, garlic and onion mix to it. Then I added some salt to it for taste and gave it a very good mix. Make sure to combine well. After mixing for some time, I covered it to cook for up to 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, at this point fried rice is ready, so I will just give it a quick mix, then set it aside, allow it to get cold before adding the veggies to it to avoid it from spoiling. Make sure you always set it aside to get cold before adding veggies. So in a pot, I went in with vegetable oil. I added my chopped onions, give it a good mix. I added my green peas. I go in with the hard ingredients first so that it can cook well. So after adding the green peas, I gave it some good mix. At this point, I added green peas, carrots. I just added all the veggies together right now. So I'll just give it a quick fry. Now you can add all your veggies that you wish to use and give it a good fry. Then I added spring onions and sweet corn. Just combine everything you wish to use for your fried rice, then give it a good mix. I added just little salt to the veggies to give it a good taste and little seasoning powder to give it a good taste. Then I keep on frying. Make sure you fry your veggies in a medium heat. Watching this video to this moment, this is the right time to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like and share this video. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much for the love, and thank you so much for the views I got in my last video on how to make jollof rice. It was so amazing and mind-blowing. Thanks guys. At this point our veggies is ready, so we'll go ahead to add our rice to it. So I'll be adding the rice bit by bit and give it a mix, then keep on adding the rice until everything is well combined. This fried rice was so yummy. After mixing the veggies, I also went ahead to add some shredded turkey. This is optional, but it also gives it a very nice flavor. I would love to know in the comment section if you would like to try this fried rice or how you do prepare your own fried rice. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.